Hi everyone. Today's recipe is a green juice. It's a detox green juice full of health benefits. Has anti-inflammatory. It's very healthy. Stay with me to know the ingredients of this very delicious green juice or smoothie. We will need some green apple. You can use any apple you have. I peeled this green apple and slice it. Also some ginger. This is the ginger that I store on my freezer, 2 pieces. Some kale. Be sure to wash it good before that you use it. Kale is very healthy for you. And also some baby spinach. Everybody know about kale and spinach. They are rich in iron and a lot of vitamins. They are very good for your health. Also, I have here some pineapple, frozen pineapples, and frozen bananas. This is bananas. I blend them before and I put it in the freezer. You can use the fresh bananas or you freeze them. I will put all my ingredients in the blender. I will not use no dairy, no kind of milk or yogurt. Only vegetables, fruits, and water. I will put my kale, my spinach. I used here half big apple, or you can use a whole apple. If you like, the skin, you can leave it. 2 pieces of ginger. The ginger give it a really very good flavor. Pineapple and some of the frozen bananas. Now I will add my water. The water depends how much fruit and vegetables you put there. And we will blend everything together until smooth and no pieces left right there. This green juice is full of health benefits. You can drink it in breakfast to start your day. It's vegan, gluten-free, and you can use it as a detox. If you want to lose some weight, you can drink it every morning. This is very good green juice. Our juice is ready. The texture is good. The color very green, vibrant green. Hope you try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how do you like it. I'm sure whoever tried it, he will love the taste. Thank you for watching and see you next time in your recipe. Enjoy it.